Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Paralives game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase or reduce your camera shaking intensity within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Paralives on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you can start a new game or continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, in order to change the camera shake intensity, go ahead and click on Settings. Then from Settings, click on Accessibility, and now you will see various options, including the camera shake intensity. By default, this is set to 1, but you can move this to the right in order to increase it, or move it to the left in order to decrease the shake intensity. After choosing your desired value, you can simply close this and then go back to your game and see how your new settings feel. If you are satisfied with this setting, then you can continue with this option. Otherwise, in order to change it, you can once again go into Settings, Accessibility, and then change your camera shake intensity. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to increase or decrease your camera shake intensity on the Paralives game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.